In this video, how to apply double spotlight effect in Camtasia. The spotlight visual effect in Camtasia is a great way to focus the viewer's attention on a specific area of your video by dimming the surroundings and highlighting the area you choose. You can use the mask visual effect and annotation to apply the spotlight, but you can create only one at the same time. To apply multiple spotlights at the same time, we need to use Luminosity Invert Track Matte Mode. First, add a rectangle shape as an intensity layer. Next, create another rectangle shape. Then apply Luminosity Invert Track Matte Mode from the eye icon. Duplicate the shape to create another spotlight. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.